It's Captain Starlight here, and today I'm meeting up with some really cool friends to swap trading cards. All you need is some trading cards. Oh no, I don't even have any trading cards. Nana Starlight won't let me collect them. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Wait, I could just make up my own. What a great idea! I'm going to show you how you can make your own trading cards with your own characters that you've made up with their own special moves, powers and abilities. Abilities! Okay, to begin, why don't you like this video and subscribe? Can't, mate? Now all you need is some paper, a black texter, and something to colour with. To start, you can download a template from the description below, or you can just make up your own. What? First, use your texter to draw the outline of your card. A ruler might help. Draw a box for the illustration of your character, and then add some sections like strengths, weaknesses, and special moves, or whatever you decide. Then have fun creating your character. Can you guess who my trading card character might be? That's right, it's Boogerman. What kind of character did you make up? In fact, you can make a whole stack of cards and add points and rules to your character's abilities so you can make a game out of it. Then give them out and swap them with your friends. Hey, I'll swap you Toilet Roll Girl for Mr. Potty Pants. I thought everyone collected Pokemon cards.